Hey guys, Jake from PDR Canada here. Today I wanted to show you a few of my different knockdowns and where I like to use them. So these are some of the knockdowns I use. This one's just made of a plastic. This one's like a metal. This has a rubber tip. And then this is just a different type of plastic. So usually with the rubber, I use that on surfaces that I'm trying to keep protected, or maybe I don't want to mark up as easy. And also for like large or high areas that I want to bring down. And then on the opposite end of that, we got the metal one, and that's a lot more precise. And that's going to be for something when you really want to isolate where you're knocking down. So that's a really good one to have. Then this is more just like your regular everyday style. So this thing you're just going to use basically everywhere, and then these are going to come into play afterwards when you need them more. And same deal with this. This is the same idea, plastic type tip, but you're going to notice when you play around with the tips, this might be stronger than this, or this might be softer than that. So you're going to notice that, like, you're going to want to play around with some until you find what you like. We have just tons of different ones, like all metal types and plastic. Here's another metal one. So you definitely want to try a bunch of different ones and find what you like to use.